one contenders match for my Monday Night Championship without the champion acknowledging it front and center. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 21 of the reality era at the VSR Arena, and this is your Monday Night Champion speaking. So, in a matter of moments, we've got ourselves one heck of a matchup between my tag team partner, one of my best friends, Raxo, and a man who's been on a thorn on my side ever since the Monday show started in January. One of my mortal nemesis is Jesse Garza. So, I'm here to do a little tale of the tape for y'all here. We've got the Colombian Wonder, Raxo, one half of Bad Company, one half of the LAW Tag Team Champions with your boy, Dill Dempsey, and one of my all-around best friends in this business. But not to be biased, my chances of betting on him are pretty high because he's already warmed up beating up that pig Puerto Sexy just 30 minutes ago. That's where I weigh in on Raxo. Now his opponent, the natural Jesse Garza. Again, I'm not trying to be biased here, but he is one of the best technical wrestlers in South Texas. Very, very underrated in my opinion. But that does not change the fact that I still hate his stinking guts every single time I see him, and I wouldn't mind bashing him in the head with a belting here one more time. But again, I got it unbiased. Now let's do a quick poll before we get on with it. For all of you who think Raxo is going to win and face me for my championship, let me hear you. Now, if you think Jesse Garza is going to win this match and face me for my title, let me hear you. Okay. But remember, the most important thing of all, the last thing I checked, is that I don't give a damn what you people think anyway. I will beat either one of them. No offense, Raxo, but this is my championship. Best buddy or not, we go to war all the time. So speaking of going to war, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be sitting right there next to management, front and center, to watch this match live and study the competition. Coming from your Monday Night Champion, and that's... That is not Raxo or Jesse. Are you serious? Now we know how it feels, management. You changed it, I remember. That's not the Post Malone version. Okay. Jonathan, I've been here all night. I was going to talk to you about this in the back. But now, all these people heard the dilemma between you and Raxo before the match. So now it's time to address the elephant in the room. Real life or bad company? Look. To be honest, neither team could have existed without any of y'all in the first place. Because before Bad Company, there was real life. Tag team champions in San Antonio, wrestle all over the state. But remember, the pandemic happened, and you disappeared for 2 years. Again, not up to you, I understand. During the pandemic, Bad Company was born. Raxo stepped up to the plate, and without the experience of teaming up with you, I wouldn't even know what I'd be doing in the tag team division. But look what me and Raxo have done. All over the state, tag champions. It's the same thing. It's too hard to weigh one without the other, Jonathan. But listen. Hold on. You don't know damn anything about this situation. Look, Jonathan, I know you two have been fighting over the fact of who's the better team, but when you interrupt somebody's matchup for the intention of me, I feel like that's about something else. Because I wasn't involved in this match with Puerto and Raxa. Do you care to tell me what's this and putting my name in there?
It's about loyalty to you. Because I would never do that to you. And I never did that to you. If there was a world title on the line and you were champion, I would not accept that match. I would not accept that opportunity. And you know that. Because you're my best friend and I would never, ever want to go up against you. Even if you're champion. Never. So my point is, and me and Nacho have not been fighting. If I didn't want to fight him, I would put my hands on him. I'd be kicking him in the face. Be stomping on him, getting all that ugly face paint all under my shoe. The point is, I will be sitting next to you and management and watching this match just to see who the victor is. But who comes out the winner. So, just come here and see my people.
Okay. You get one more chance, because you almost got pretty physical out here in the beginning of the show. But I know you. You have a temper, and sometimes it is for your own good. But if you just stay there and let them go at it so I can study the match without any distractions, that's fine, Jonathan. Management, is that okay? Can we spectate? No problem?
Allow me to clarify just one thing. Nothing else.
What?
I'm not management.
Hey, we've been over this. Okay. All right. Just watch. All right? We'll discuss this later. All right, we'll see. Get him up.
And yes, you guys can sit there all you want. There's no real info.